Hi there, this is Shritika and she's here for a color analysis service. So we have done a brief analysis on her and I'm going to be identifying her color season right here in front of you. So I'm beginning with the temperature indication, where I'll be using these temperature indicators to check out whether she's a warm color season or a cool one. So the golden drape stands for warm and the silver one stands for cool. So here I'm identifying her to be a warm season. And same way I'll be checking her values, her skin values. I've checked her skin value to be medium to light, and her intensity of the coloration around the face is soft. Her hair is warm, medium to deep, and again soft because it's quite colored and you can see it's muted here. Eyes are warm, deep and soft. So based on my analysis, she falls under the category of warm autumn, and I'm going to showcase how the warm autumn colors look beautiful on her. So here's a warm autumn palette, very carefully curated, and you can see all the colors look amazing on her. They lift her skin up, make her look vibrant and sharp. And even the cool warm colors, the blues, the warm blues, they look perfect on her. So if you are looking for a color analysis service, you can DM us.